How to schedule YouTube video upload on iPhone. To get started, first go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Here, open YouTube in your web browser. Once on your dashboard, tap the Upload Videos button to begin. On the next screen, tap Select Files and choose a video from your file manager, then tap Open. You will be taken to the Video Details page. Tap on Next to move through the Details, Video Elements, and Verification sections. On the final visibility page, tap the Program drop-down menu to schedule your video. Select your desired publication date from the calendar and choose the exact time you want your video to go live. After setting the date and time, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen to confirm. A pop-up will appear confirming that your video has been successfully scheduled. Following these steps, you can easily schedule a YouTube video upload on an iPhone.